What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be covering the SoFi stock. We have some great news for you guys today. If you find any of this information useful, be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're trying to grow the channel past 20,000 subs. So, guys, we know that this convertible note news is starting to settle down. The deal has been finalized as of last Friday. Now let's get back to some good news, guys. We have whales continuing to load the SoFi stock up on this news, and that is ARK Invest, guys. They just made one of the biggest purchases I have ever seen over the past couple of months since they have been buying. So as the stock continues to settle down around these $7 levels, Cathie Woods continues to accumulate massively, guys. Her holding just hit a new all-time record we're going to be looking at inside of this video today. But guys, I also came out to make this video for you. For anyone that sees the video today, we have some, big breaking news in the morning tomorrow that could, make your portfolios red or green. And that's that CPI inflation data. We've been talking about this for a long time. This inflation data continues to just hammer down, the stock when it has, good uptrends, on bad news. And it's going to be another, short-term volatility tomorrow morning, I believe around 8:30. CPI inflation data is going to either, rock the market on a sell-off, or your stocks are going to be going green tomorrow. So be prepared for your portfolios tomorrow, guys. It's going to be an absolutely insane morning. But you can see the overall market today absolutely getting hammered. S&P 500 red, NASDAQ red, Russell getting hammered. Russell's been in a great uptrend. Dow Jones hammered. So this was just one of those days where the market was getting prepared for that CPI data tomorrow. Market cap on SoFi still at 7.5 billion. We're trading around 3 times our revenue. I believe the stock is at a massive discount right now. And pretty much anyone who's been covering the SoFi stock or following the SoFi stock the past couple of years, nobody has an excuse to not have a great, price average by now. I mean, you could literally dollar cost average into the stock every 90 days per quarter, and you're just continuing to load up, under the $10 level for 2 whole years, guys. So it's not a matter of what your price average is as well. It's a matter of how many shares you can accumulate. You can have a $5 cost base, with 1,000 shares. The guy that has 20,000 shares at a $15 cost base is going to absolutely destroy you over time. So it's not necessarily all about price average, guys. You have to accumulate a decent amount of shares if you want to be successful in a stock that truly takes off. So it's a little bit of a combination of both. Don't forget that it's not all about your cost average, guys. It's about how many shares you have in the end. All right, guys, here's the dark cloud standing over the stock market every single month, every 30 days. The CPI data report. Here we go again. March 12th, 8:30 a.m. Are you ready? Stocks are going to be absolutely mooning, or they're going to be absolutely bleeding. Place your bets. Nobody knows. This is what has been rocking the stock market for the past 18 months, the CPI data. And you can see we've just been stuck in this 3% range as of CPI for a long time. But if you look at the Truflation reports that I've been reporting on my Twitter, we're down way under 2%. So it looks like this is lagging data around 60 to 90 days. But guys, 8:30 in the morning, be ready to, see that volatility. Now, guys, take a look at this. Breaking news. ARK Invest, Cathie Woods loads a total of 2.5 million shares in RKK and RKF. Guys, this is absolutely insane, guys. I mean, she has been loading up the boat the past couple of days, I believe a week in a row, but this is definitely the biggest buy that I have seen. And look at this, guys. I made a post of her overall holdings on Friday. It was at like 12.6 million shares. You can see here I have all the listings of the top institutional investors: Vanguard, BlackRock, Silver Lake, State Street, GOD Capital, Two Sigma, and Goldman Sachs at 12.8 million, guys. So she was coming in at number 8 just last week, guys. Absolutely insane. Fast forward just a couple days later, guys, she just breaks into the top 5 with this institutional purchase, guys. 15.2 million shares. Look at this, guys. She literally just surpassed Goldman Sachs, Two Sigma, and GOD Capital with this massive buy, guys. Literally one more buy of 1 million shares. She's going to break into the top 4 of State Street, guys. And if you're talking, if she plans on doing this for the next couple of weeks, she may take a run at Silver Lake at 31 million shares. So is she going to continue to buy the stock as it rises up to the $10 to $12 level? We don't know. She has bought in the $8, $9 level before, guys. But understand, if she keeps this up, she's going to be like getting into the range of Vanguard and BlackRock, just massive institutions, guys. So I have no idea. All I know is, she just hit a crazy, crazy level breaking into the top five. And I absolutely think she's going to smash through the top four and break in, break State Street 16.1 million. But if she makes it into the top three, this is going to be absolutely, absolutely insane. Now, guys, we're getting a lot of new people on the channel, and I just want to cover, overall SoFi's game plan right now, what they're trying to do, trying to diversify, and making the business less and less risky, okay? So SoFi has three business segments, okay? Lending, financial services, and their tech platform, Galileo. 2023 total revenue was 2.1 billion. This consisted of lending, 1.3 billion, so you can see that's the bulk. Tech platform, 352 million. Everybody is sleeping on tech platform, guys. If this growth gets to 30, 40%, we're going to get a hybrid multiple, and I think this year tech platform is really going to take off in growth. Financial services, absolutely skyrocketing growth, 436 million. This is 2023's current percentages of overall revenue. Lending is 62% right now, okay? Tech platform is 17%, not bad. Financial services, 21%. Management's goal for 2024 is a 50% split for lending and a 50% split for financial services plus tech platform. Management continues to diversify away from lending more and more each year by lowering their risk, depending more on financial services and the tech platform. Take a look at lending percentages of overall revenue by year, guys. Lending made up a bulk of 78% of the business in 2021. That's why I got the 4 cautions right there. 2022, it made up 70%. 3 cautions. 2023, 62%. 2 cautions. And this year, it'll drop to 50%. Only 1 caution, guys. And understand, SoFi has a longer term goal of a 33% split of all 3 businesses. So if we get there, we're not even going to have any cautions, guys. We're going to have a green check mark. I think they can achieve this in the next 2 years. By 2026, they can break down their 33% split. And guys, the business will be so diversified. It can pivot in any direction and any interest rate environment if they can get all 3 business segments even. And guys, as they continue to drop the overall risk from lending, the analysts just continue to pound out sell rating after sell rating, hold rating after hold rating. Guys, I'm telling you right now, this is a manipulated stock, okay? We are competing in the financial services, okay? They are not going anywhere near the spirit of legacy banking at 5 to 10%. We're talking 36% growth last year. And if they come in and they see this lending percentage overall revenue drop, and we see growth at a 30% range, and we see Galileo Tech Platform at 25 to 35% growth, this is going to be the most undervalued stock in the entire stock market, guys. Trading at 3 times sales with 35% growth, you just won't find that in any sector. Guys, what makes a sector is its overall growth. And understand, the banking sector growth sucks, but SoFi is not operating at the same growth as the legacy banking. We are not priced yet to perfection. I believe the stock should be valued on a baseline of $14 to $16. And if we get into the crazy, fairy tale land multiples, this stock could easily go to 20, 30, 40 in no time at all. If you're just talking about, 10 times sales, that's 30 billion market cap by the end of the year. So guys, take a look at the split right now. Lending 62%, financial services 21%, tech platform 17%. We want to see this pie go to 33, 33, and 33. I think that's personally going to happen in the next 2 to 3 years. By 2026, the stock is going to be a, super beast if they can get, everything diversified to those numbers. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you. Once again, if you find any of this information useful, be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be keeping you updated daily. Once again, my name is Kyle. Have a great day.